Let's now learn how to get all players in a game. To demonstrate this, we're going to go to our server script service. We're going to enter a script. You can name your script, get all players. And in your script, just enter the following lines. And here is another example of using an array inside scripting. As you can see, arrays are very important in scripting. On the first line here, we're just getting the player service. Your player service is this service here. And the reason we're getting that is so that we can use the API from the player service, the getPlayers API. It's going to return all the current players in the game in the form of an array. So it's going to load all the players into this players array. Here we're using the for_in_i_pairs loop to loop through the array to get all the players. For each player in that array, we're going to check to see if the player has a character associating with the player. If the character exists, we're going to change the head of the character, the color of the head, to red. That's going to give the player a red face. We are now going to go to the test menu tab, and we're going to test with 2 players. Here is my player number 1, and here is my player number 2. You can see they have normal faces right now, but give it a few seconds and the faces have turned red. Once you are done with testing 2 players, you can click on Cleanup to close the windows. And that is how you get all players inside your game.